Hello friends, today we have come to PUVIDHAM, which is an alternative school, or we can say a school outside the classroom, where the children do not need any textbooks. They do not have the pressure of completing their syllabus. This is nursery and primary school PUVIDHAM, which is situated at Dharmapuri, Chennai. Today, this little champ Lingeshwar will guide us throughout the PUVIDHAM, and we shall start our journey with Kodeswaran Markan, the instructor who guides the students about their handicrafts and many other things. All the tools, as we see here, they are aware of that and they can use these tools easily. These are the things made of coconuts, which are all spare things. They have made these beautiful things from the coconuts. Mr. Kodeswaran is showing us.
I imagined it's my dream school.
Maintained by yourself, huh? By the students, PUVIDHAM students.
Yes.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
For came the camp also, they should do the work compulsory.
Oh, so you know how to all the things.
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. How many times you will do?
We do 3 things.
3.
Minimum 3 things.
Great.
You tell.
We stay in the dome. We are upside the girls, upside for the girls, down all the boys.
Okay. So this is the hostel.
Yes.
Here you stay.
Yes. This is boys' toilet. That is girls' toilet.
Yes.
Cooking by?
And who cooks your food?
We sir, always. All the students
Students preparing their foods and sharing.
who came here.
Combined together, you cook yourself. Which is your favorite?
3,000.
Sweet owl.
What is it? What is it?
Sweet
Sweet owl.
That means
Poha.
poha. Yes.
Meaty wala poha.
Okay.
Here 4 feet, there is 8 feet.
Okay.
Oh.
And what is
Meant
it?
for 1 month.
Yes.
1 month.
And for what?
Learn swimming.
Yes. Do you swim here?
Yes.
All the boys and girls?
Yeah.
Yes. Good. We can see the children. They are enjoying their swimming, and we can imagine how happy they are here.
Goro.
Merry-go-round.
All play here.
All play here. This is not just a simple merry-go-round. It has some other uses also.
Library.
Where is the library?
This is library.
Let's see. Is it open now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the books are here. We can take the book and wherever we want, we can take and go. And we should keep the book here.
Oh yes, you have to read and you have to return here.
Yes. Outside having carom, chess, all games, we can go and play.
Yes, let's see.
In my school, there will be no teachers. First, in my school, there will be no textbooks. There will be lot of reading material.
The library alone maintained by one child known as Kyle.
That's good.
Kind of unlearning. Being in nature, being with plants, being with trees.
We can see the smokeless chula, where we can cook many items at a time, which is also made by Meenakshi madam. beautiful environment. You can see the peacock and many other creatures which are moving here and there. Students themselves, they are watering the plants, they are sweeping, they are cleaning their place, they are protecting the trees. Here they are learning sewing, they are using sewing machines. Some children are climbing the trees, they are enjoying climbing. Actually they are enjoying. In every sphere they are enjoying their childhood. Students are drawing. How beautiful they are drawing. Okay, they are enjoying the beautiful nature also. Clay model.
Built by the students itself.
The water
Built
tank.
by also the students itself.
It is also built by the student.
Yes.
What are you telling?
Yes, really.
Yes.
Some servants came.
Huh.
Two servants came and they instruct how to do. But the child one.
Here we can see how the children themselves are engaged in the building works. They are helping PUVIDHAM for schools, and it's for the hostel only. Okay. I am really stunned to see the beautiful nature over PUVIDHAM. I will request everybody to visit this nice place. Lingesh sir, actually at night, do you get fear in this place? Actually, it's a hilly area, lots of trees and all.
No, they will lock the door.
Okay.
You create a fear for the animal.
No.
Students are learning from the nature. They are in the field. They are helping. They are cultivating.
He will immune this.
Okay. And for this field, what are you doing for this one?
Coriander.
Oh, you are cultivating. Who is doing this?
All made by students itself.
Okay. So you are cultivating
Yes.
for your food.
Yes. That all rice.
Ah.
And makeup here. All sets have one sister's name is Sudha. That sister have all the makeup sets. We ask the powder means sister will do. We can come and make a makeup. And the powder also made by wheels.
Oh, you yourself made the powder.
Yes.
Talcum powder.
Yes. And soap.
So was
Examples of soaps and basket they made.
By oil, caustic soda.
So formula also you know.
Yes.
shampoo also made by yourself.
No. For the shampoo, we put Sivakali.
Sika.
Natural powder.
So here they
Yeah.
are making shampoo.
Yeah.
The tree is also there. From that they will take that and they will make shampoo.
Okay.
Normal temperature. Night time,
Right?
more cold.
It's very cold.
Very cold.
Do you take quilt? Razai?
No. Anything. We take the hot water.
Okay.
No covering. No bed sheet.
No.
You don't take.
No. We take the pillow and one matter and we can sleep. Sundays they put this.
Oh.
These
Okay.
they are
Oh.
it is 2 years old.
2 years old.
Other cap, one cap, you can summon.
About this one.
This
for
is the
eating.
food for cows.
Who gives food?
The waste we eat and throw the waste. No? That came in here.
And they eat it. Okay.
They eat and go inside.
You have 6 cows.
Yes.
Okay. Tell us.
We make the biogas from this. We take the waste of the
Cow dung and all.
cow dung
Yes.
and put it in this,
Uh,
and we mix it,
uh,
and we take this up means
uh.
the oil will go that.
To that pit.
Yes.
Okay.
From there, it's made of biogas. It's went to MEENAKSHI School. Some food she will cook and send to me.
Okay. One child is helping in production of biogas. How careful Lingesharan is. He himself is locking the door carefully. Some type of aloe vera. Okay. And this one?
It is also aloe vera.
Okay.
More type of aloe vera.
And this is Madam's house, na?
Yes.
Okay. Tank built by the students.
Yes.
Huh?
That
This.
tank alone.
Oh, that tank alone. This tank is made by others.
Sitting room, other is office.
Once again, tell me.
That is tools room,
Yes.
sitting room,
Yes.
the left side is office.
Okay. I have enjoyed the atmosphere of PUVIDHAM very wonderfully. If you have little time, please come to PUVIDHAM and watch and imagine what activities actually is being done here. Meenakshi ma'am is serving food to Lingesharan. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe us and do watch the interview with Meenakshi ma'am. Thanks for the watching.